Oh, yeah. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. It's Tuesday, 2:30 in the afternoon, doing a Mojo recap video for the Mojo Day Trading Room today, and it's been quite a busy day trading PTBI. And right now we're short again the stock. Oh, we're short it, we're long it all day long. Look at this stock, traded 41 million shares. It's up $3.84. It's a Margarita Tuesday on a Cinco de Mayo. Everybody's doing really, really nice today. There's the Mojo Day Trading Room. Here's the poll for today, which we did. Going to do it on a percentage basis now. See, a lot of people are taking on the Mojo winning ways. They're getting their own rooms. They're creating their own niches and copying off me, which is just fine. You know, McDonald's happened first before there was a Burger King and Wendy's and the rest, and you know, to each his own. There's plenty out there. So I added on here in the Mojo Day Trading Room, if you hit your daily goal, you made between 1 to 5%. 17 people did that. If you did 2 times your goal, you made between 5 to 10%. That's on the entire account. So if you have $10,000, you made between $500 to $1,000. If you have 100 grand, you made between $5,000 to $10,000. 3 times your goal, 2 people. And paper traded 15, and 4 people had lost, which were new to the room. We went through with those people. And here on a percentage basis, Naven did 9.3, Gag 7, Madron 4, Allen 2.3 on a large account. And that was at 10:30 this morning. I'd love to see an update on that now. Grab 3.3, Bun 2%, 5.2, 4.5. 2% today. That's how we trade, and that's how we roll in the Mojo room. So I'd like to see an update there. Allen's at 4.4% for the day. Great job. Nicely done with the trading today. Let me show you what we've done trading-wise in the room for the last 2 days. Right now we're short some PTBI. Average short is 674, right where it is now. So let's go through some trades, closing out these positions anyway. We're done for the day. And here you got, let me just make sure you got no positions. So let's get to the trading log for yesterday. These were the trades we did yesterday. This right here is the history of room announcements, the Mojo Day Trading transcript of everything that happened in the room, date and time stamped. Right here, as explaining in the room as I do every day, the strategies on how we trade and all the programs. And the first trade of the day is BIOC, filled entry number 2 at 330. That's a squeeze. If it's 330, it's a squeeze. So we did the BIOC second entry at 330, so the average was 329. Groupon, we got at 50.05. We're going to play for a move through Hines on Groupon. That actually trade didn't work out. GRPN, workout meaning we didn't make money on it, but we didn't lose on it either. Okay, and BIOC, we're going to buy back here. We're going to buy here to sell back at 30. Okay, so we sold it up into the initial run yesterday, and we bought it back at 30. Let's go to BIOC. BIOC yesterday, we traded the open right up here into 336. And then we rebought it back We made a nickel, and then we rebought it back. An entry here, 325, number 3, and then adding a 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the average there was around 3, probably 26. And we did a 5,000 and a 5,000, and then we resold it back at 30.31. This was a stopping station trade play. So the average was 30. Only made 4 on that one. And we rebought it back 320, 21, 22, 23, and sold at 27, 28. Say the average was 23, sold back 328. Great one. GoPro getting out, made 0. ICLD long 327. It's a stopping station trade play. We bought more, 322, 21, and 23, 3,000. Then we bought 4,000. GoPro we sold, made nothing. Groupon, we're going to do a trend trade at 688.89. We're going to buy a dip and buy more through the 95 range. So this was GoPro, GPRO. Similar to Groupon, GPRN. This is actually called a trend trade. Teach this in MOJO University, trend trade play. We bought that at 690 average. We sold it at 710 average. Sold it all up through the gaps. Beautiful trade. And we went all in again on it besides the trade play. We did a Heinz trade play on it, which we went all in. I put the entire account in the stock at 699 and sold it at 705. Made a beautiful nickel on that Heinz. Okay. Sold BIOC, lowering BIOC sell target from 325 to 320 to 25. Sold BIOC 322, 23, and 24. Okay. VLTC through 10. Traded that a couple of times. VLTC right here. We trade that again. 10. Prices ICLD, we're going to go small, 307. So that brings it down to 314. 320. The first one was 327. Bumped it out at 307. We're taking the nickel, and we got flat at 19 to 20. And that's your nickel. ETLC number 2 at 977 to 85. Everybody else would normally get stopped out right here. That was our second buy from 995, bringing the cost down on VLTC to average 994. CYTR average 432. Great trade on CYTR yesterday at 432. Which was a lemon squeeze. I saw a big old asker. Squeeze 35 only. So we got 434. Averaged up. ICLD sold 313. The last part, BIOC 307 to 12 smaller. So this BIOC dumped. We got it at 307. Sold half of VLTC at 1003. Beautiful move on VLTC, 1003. Sold the rest at 1018, so that gives me like a 1008 sale price. Nice job. Everybody else would have gotten stopped out, bought at 995, went to 980. You got stopped out right there. I did a double buy, took your stops, and sold it back over 10 as you were throwing your computer right through the window. Here you go. BIOC. I ain't looking for much. 314. I'll take BIOC at 314. Done. We bought it at 307. I'm not looking for much. 7 cents. I'll take that on a couple thousand shares all day long. That's a stopping station trade play. Take a look right here. PTBI's on a rampage now, over 7. Stock's absolutely phenomenal. We bought this in the room this morning right here at the open. I'll show you the first trade play of the day on PTBI in the MOJO Day Trading room. So here's PTBI. We bought right here at $4.80. It's $7.07. So, you know, that's better than anything else you got. We also had ICLD. Look what ICLD did. Went from ching ching, ICLD $1.70, boom, to 260 to 430. That's the MOJO Day Trading room, guys. We're just cranking on it. So BIOC, CYTR selling half into the new high of the day at 440. Okay, so CYTR selling into the 440 new HOD. CYTR 434, selling half. So we got 440, okay, 439 on half. VLTC last sale 1014. CYRT sold half, 438 average. So there you go, 438. Beautiful. Groupon adding on Groupon. Okay, so we did that for the trend trade. So we got 693 now average. CYTR got a quarter left, sold 447. So that CYTR is now 442. Rail grind the rest of CYTR. Out of here, rail grind on CYTR. Groupon adding through 7. VLTC and traded it 4 times. CYTR is the sweetest. VLTC long average 1010. Got long again. 1010. Didn't make much on that trade. Selling back at even. Told you. 1010. That was a stopper because it went higher. ICLD filled 307. ICLD sell 310. The buy was 305. Sold 309. ICLD, we bought 305, sold 309. No problem. Take that all day. Groupon all in 699. Throw the whole entire account into it. PTBI, short the pants off of it right here at 716. MOJO Day Trading room. PTBI 2 entries, short the pants off it to go back under 7 now. PTBI 718, 17, 16, 15 live trade right now. See it? Look. 712, 13, 14 for shorten the pants to go back under these 2 signals on the level 2 going down. See ya. Okay. VLTC get out, made nothing. Vigil. No go average 280, selling 280. No go. Vigil. No go. Buy the dip 302, filled ICLD 302. Sold 306. Another 4 cents. 2,000 shares, 80 bucks. Rebate on the way in, rebate on the way out. $40, made 44. There you go. 2,000 shares, 4 cents, made 2,000 shares, 4 cents plus a $4. That's a $44 profit. Take that all day long. CYTR is 487. There's the rest of it out. So we got 442, 452. Stock went to 87 on the rest, made 18 cents. UVXY long 965 and 55. $958, selling a quarter into $975. This was a lemon squeeze, big old ask. No, actually, it was a stop. It was a big old ask. I sold 76 a quarter. New high of the day. Groupon sold 705 on my all in. There you go. I bet the house on that. Got a new mansion. UVXY new high of the day. 982 got half left. Sales 977 so far. Groupon new high of the day 706. UVXY selling a quarter more 982. BIOC made 4 cents. Groupon new high 7. SZYM 395. SZYM 395. Okay, this would be a Heinz trade play to push it up towards Heinz. Let's see what it does. Bids filled. Groupon new high 708. Everything's flying big. Groupon 714. UVXY 988. SBR grab some bid, not looking for much. WPRT 515. SZYM out for a penny. Didn't work. Better than losing. 396. Done. SZYM flat made 3 cents. 398. Probably went through after ISNS bid 325. ISNS filled. See how I do the trade plays for everyone right in the room, calling them out just like I'm doing here. Groupon out all day, still in the swing. ISNS filled. Sell 332, buy 325. Beautiful. Made 7 cents on the sell. 332. Anything happens there on the sell side, we're buying. Anything happens on the surge side, we're selling. WPRT out flat. Made a dime on WPRT. Then you've got Groupon continues for Mojo. UVXY is now 997, still got some left. Bid 276.77, rebate 79.80 on a rebate. That's that was BIOC. I think it got crushed. Anyway, we'll leave that one out. There's another trade. Sold 89, 389.90. I think it was 376.77 and sold 89. It doesn't matter. Waiting now to dump hard. Viringo 20. That was swing. Filled Viringo. Made a penny on Viringo. Big deal. Viringo was a joke. All right, and that was yesterday. So let's go to today. Hold on. Covering up my short here a little bit. Just take a look. We got one red. Let's wait for it to dump under 7. Do half and half. Cover half and hold half. And just box it in or cover it all. Take dimes all day long. Take dimes and 15-cent pieces all day, guys. Okay, all day. Let me show you what we did in the room this morning. Let's play something else. Cover the rest under $7. It'll dump hard. Dumping hard. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, yeah. Look at that red volume bar, guys. Yeah, I think I got one. I think I got Icon and the rest of my market makers, gurus following me. Look at all that volume going in on our short, dude. Sick. That's how we trade in the Mojo room, right? Nice. Beauty. Beauty. And I had to do it live for everyone. Sweet. So let's do this. 2 buys right at the open on PTBI at 450. Stock's at $7, guys. That's what we do in the Mojo room. Okay. So PTBI, we're going to do an opening trade play squeeze right at the open. PTBI through Mini Hines trade play. Okay. And we nailed that baby. 450, 460, sold 70. So that's 455, sold 470 for the first 15 cents. Flat, done. UVXY is going to test 10. We're going to trend trade Groupon 4 times. 713. We're still got it actually trading for the earnings. We'll see what's going to happen here at 4 o'clock on that stock. UVXY average is 991. Going for a $10 trade play. UVXY 991. Going for the Hines on the UV. Gene long through Hines, sold 502, 503. The people that weren't fast, that got greedy on Gene, lost while everybody else won because they thought it was going to fly up so hard, and it didn't. It went from 90 to 95 to 97, where I doubled and tripled and sold it at 502. Made a nickel. Okay, look, sold, done. Rebuy back, filled. Okay, and then we sold it again. So we got 92 back and sold 97 again, 98. That was the double tap. Okay, from the people that stopped us out and bought us at 05. Then we're going to do PTBI again at 440 because it went to 470. So if you didn't sell from 455, you're like, wow, it's 7 now. But look, that's the thing. It went higher and lower all day long. So we bought it 440. We sold 445, 447 half. Okay. And that's how you do it. UVXY have a quarter left. Groupon adding, rebuy at 440. So this one, we're going to rebuy at 440. Gene filled 89. PTBI were on the ask, sold 46. Again, repeated the same trade. Selling more, 52. So we got another 2 pennies. And we got it back, and we're going to go less. It went all the way up through 50 and dropped all the way back down under where we bought all of them. And we're getting it now at 437 and 38, joining a big bid. Then we added at 27 to 32, so it got crushed, reducing the cost basis to 435. Shorted again, guys, right up here into the high, 735 and higher right now again. Do it again, small, 730 from the last cover. Do one more, higher or lower. Taking candy from a baby. That's what we do. So then we got, I'm up to here, adding 427 to 32. UCO and UWTI were both really nice ones, and I sold UVXY more at 1009. So UVXY sold a little bit more at 1009. So right now we're probably at a 1005 average sale price on the UV, and then got a little UV left. PTBI got a quarter left of that and sold 440, 441, 442. So here made another 441, another sixer. Then we're flat at 456. And we were flat, went to 456. Gene average is 487. Okay. UV got 500 left, sold 1019, the last of UV. So this got to 10.11 on the sale price, made 20 cents. Short average on PTBI is 482. So now it went from 440 to 480. We're going to start to short the stock because it just ran up so much. This is a short sale. And this right here, we got an average of 82, and we're covering at 77. Then we shorted more, 83, filled 73. Another dime. Covered the rest. GTIM played 967 to 77. We played that a couple of times today. That was a squeeze. Gene 487. There's the store. PTBI were long at 62, 63, and long at 50. Bought 50, sold 53, 50, got 1,000 left. Didn't make much on that one. It's dumping now. Covering up under 25 on the dump. Let's cover up half and half. GTM small buy 22. GTIM sale 32. $9.22 to $9.32. So if you didn't sell at 67 to 77, you got stopped out there, and we bought those stops. Right here, 9.10 and under, and we're selling back at 25. We got filled at 9.02 and 9.04. 9.07. So if you didn't sell at 32, you got stopped out at 9.07, and we bought you. Okay? And we had an average of 5. Now PTBI had a double signal at 58.59. We bought and sold 60. Covered half of PTBI for a dime. At 720 and below, where it is now, guys. Go ahead and do that. Take some profits on that short last call. Thank you. Let's continue with the day on what we were doing down here. A lot of trading today. We're up to 907. PTBI double signal long at 58, 59, and 60, and sold 64 average. Really nice trade there. So if you don't think these trades are really happening in the room, folks, you're like, that's fine. Think that they're not happening in the room, but they are. Here's the day trading room. Here's me talking right now. Hey, what's up? Hey, we got 39 people left. Alan's here. A couple other people just doing my logs. So we got PTBI again. Double signal long at 459. Sold at 464. That's how we do that. So now we got UCI and W both new highs. GTIM filled at 9. PTBI shorting it now at 476. So look at the run it made. Went from covering at 59 on a short, and it ran all the way to 76. So we shorted it again at 476 to cover and see how much we made again. So shorting it there. PBI short average 78. Keeping everyone updated. GTIM average long 902. PTBI short average 88. Covered half 86 to 85, and the rest at 86. Didn't make much on that one. Gene on the ass, getting out, done for the day. See ya. Gene on the ask. UVXY now flat at 1033. So this one we got 1015. Went all the way to 1033. But less of a move because it's a scale out with less shares. Groupon still got it, average 703. Playing it for the earnings. Where's my Groupon trend trade? There's my trend trade. I'm going to put that in up here. This is the beginning of the day. Today's the 5th. The 4th. I keep good records of the trades in the room. So this is the 5th. Started with PTBI. And we did a trend trade on Groupon. Let's just copy this one right here. It don't matter. This is GRPN average 703 on a trend trade for the earnings. Okay, so PTBI short signal at 17, short average 522. So now the stock ran through 88 and it ran up to 5. So we shorted it at 522 and covered at 513. And at 10. So we made 10 cents. Again, flat. GTIM sold at 920. Okay. Gene back to 475 for everybody. Be patient. Just be patient with the Gene for tomorrow. I mentioned to you shorted at 627 and 631. So PTBI ran from 522 to 6. Shorted it at 627.31 to average 38. Got 1,500 to average 45. So it's 645. Okay. Filled 52, average 45 on the bid, flat. Done. Lose a penny. Shorted it again, 64.69, average 64. So it ran up again. Just trying to short the pants off this thing. 64, covered 54. Another dime. ICLD got out even on that sucker too. ICLD 323, 323. Stopper. Down 90 cents. Started getting it at 27. Look, adding, shorting it again, 61, filled 41, made 20 cents on that short. 641, 661, made 20 on that short. Bought some size on ICLD to average 323.5. It's 317 by 18. Shorting it again, 640, filled 650. Shorted again, 650, covered 640 for another dime. Then it went to Ford. Nice trade. BIOS. BIOS is interesting to keep an eye on for today or tomorrow to go through a Heinz. ICLD got out. PTBI short filled 54, covered 44. Filled 43. ICLD sold, sold, and sold. ICLD on the ass sold 23, 24, and 25. PTBI flat. Got 1,000 left. Scaling ICLD, good written. Scaling Patience and Pie and Power, trust my Mojo journal. Shorting it again at 49. Signal at 38. Short average 53. Short average 63. Short average 3,000. Short average 78. 6,000. Oh yeah. That was a big bump and buy. That was a bump. So that short didn't work out. So instead of having 2 or 3,000, had to get up to 6,000 at 78, covering at 80 and 72, and it went down, and we covered at 80 and covered at 72 on plan and didn't lose a dime. Made 3 cents. And that was a bump. Great play. Then PTBI, we did it again at 717. So the stock went up higher again. And we shorted it at 717 and made 15 cents. 705, 717. A dime, and then we did it again just now at 7:30 while I had you on here. And we're going to do it again right now at 760. Do it again, 59, 58, and 60. We just covered up at 20. So the last one was 722 to 732. And this one is 60. Cover it up under 50, make another dime, cover it here. So that was 48 to 58, another dime for everybody. Let's get the dates and the trades in, and then we're done for the day. Did a lot of trading today. We scalped the pants off it. I got Pro Trader Allen's up one of his biggest days. It's one of the best days of the month. 11, 12, 13. I do best on the down days. See how fast I can type them numbers in there? Up to trade 39. Trade 49. Trade 59. Do it again, 773, guys. Short it again, 772. Short again. Short again. Last one was 60, was 50 to 40, 60 to 450. Do this one, 72. Cover up at 62. Big signal on the bid at 68. Short here. What a great stock. How'd you guys finish for the day? Alan, anything higher than 4.4% now? Great job, everybody, today. Nice job. Cover it up on this dip, 70, 62. Take the dime. Nice job, everybody. Great trading today. That's Pro Trader Mike signing off in the Mojo recap for the day. Great job. Be patient covering up the next half. It may drop. Peace. See you tomorrow. Everything inside and out.